Okay, so this is one of the coolest things that I ever created using Gemini AI. So basically, this is just a simple website dashboard that is based on this document. But there is one thing that is unique about this website dashboard. That is, it is connected directly to Google Sheet, which means it is basically self-updating. So if I ever modify the document, the changes will be reflected directly into the website. For example, here, as you can see, the maximum amount of the money that has received or expend was $3,000, and if I change the number to, let's say, 6,000, it is going to be reflected on the website. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to just refresh the document just to make sure that it is actually indeed has been applied to this Google Sheets document. Now after that, if I refresh this document, sorry, this dashboard, you'll see the number will be different. Now it is $6,000 because again, it was based on this document and it can update them in real time. So let me show you how you can generate this really cool self-updating website using Gemini AI. And of course, there is no coding knowledge is required. First, let's open Google Sheets, and I actually have a document that I want to create. So I'm going to upload that to Google Sheets. I'm going to start with blank spreadsheet, and I'm going to click File. Click, let's say, import, and I have this CSV document that I want to upload. Okay, just wait a bit, and I'm going to just import the data. Okay, so let's call this document sales report, and after that, on your Google Sheets document, you can click File, click Share, click Publish to Web, and after that, make sure that you are in the link mode. Click this and just select the spreadsheet that you actually want to share. And after that, change the format to comma separate values. And after that, click this. Make sure that the automatically pre-publish when changes are made is enabled. And after that, click publish. Click OK. And there you go. So we got this link that later we can use on Gemini. Now let's open Gemini. And after that, you can insert this prompt, and of course the prompt can be found in the description down below. Okay, the prompt goes like this: generate a website that displays the following CSV document. And after that, you can enter the link. So I'm going to copy this. Let's paste that right here. And click Tools, click Canvas, enable the thinking mode if you have the access to that, and let's send a message. So it will create a simple app that will show the raw data of this document, but we're not finished yet because we still need to convert that into some nice visual website like this one. And also we have to check if it is actually indeed updating the content. Anyway, this process might take about 2 to 3 minutes, so I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so as you can see, this is the document, but it is now in this nice website. But again, we're not done. We still need to convert that into a dashboard. So I'm going to use this prompt. Again, the prompt can be found in the description down below. I'm going to copy it. Let's paste that into Gemini. And by the way, if you want to change anything, like you want to use your own style, color, or styling, feel free to modify the prompt as you need. But this is the basic prompt that I'm going to use. So let me just send a message and just wait for 2 to 3 minutes again. Okay, so it has created this amazing looking dashboard. And by the way, I actually found an issue, and I just asked Gemini to fix it, and now the problem has been fixed. So basically, sometimes you might encounter some bugs or glitches when creating the website, and don't worry, you can always tell Gemini about the problem and it should be able to fix the problem immediately. Now I'm going to open this website in a bigger screen. Let me just copy the link. Okay, just wait. And let's open that on a new tab, and I'm going to test the real-time testing or the real-time self-updating capability of this website or app. Okay, so I think the one element that I want to change is this. So the number of records in the document is 30 indeed, but I want to add another one to see if it is actually able to catch the new update. Now I'm going to go back to Google Sheets, and I'm going to, let's say I want to add another item. So it used to be 30, now it should be 31. Okay, now I'm going to refresh the page just to make sure that the changes have been saved into the server. There you go. Now we got 31 items on this document. Let me just go back to the website, and I'm going to you can click this refresh button or click the refresh page on the browser manually. It's the same thing. And let's see if we can actually get the new version of the document. Okay, as you can see, we got 31 records, and that is actually true. It is the new update that has been grabbed from the actual document. So this is really cool. But by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that this real-time connection is not really real-time. Sometimes it is delayed up to 5 minutes, but still I would say it is definitely a self-updating website, so you don't have to worry about changing the code. You just need to focus on the document, and the code will actually grab the new update automatically. So this is a really cool use case of Gemini Canvas. So yeah, that's basically it. Again, all the prompts can be found in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.